All right, Paul, here we go. This is a lot of repair, Chief, for you. As any treatment always starts, triple warmer 16, 17. Clean out, clean out, clean out. There's a lot of metabolic debris kicking around your system. As we dislodge it, we want to know that the drain pipes are all open so that things will hit there and go out. That doesn't move from here to there to there. So triple warmer 16, 17. And then triple warmer 20. Clean out solid organs. Liver, kidneys, prostate. Now let's do a little bit of emotional grounding and centering. You're a school teacher in America. You're a school teacher in a not severely well-funded district. You need a little emotional grounding and centering. Stuff that helps you stay in touch with your authentic self, that helps you remember that you're doing the right thing. Because there's not a lot of external reward for that. Governor Vessel 22 for the chemistry of calm. And let's also do some gallbladder 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. More gallbladder 13, right and left. And large intestine 20 here at the corners of the nose. Let's lift the skylight, pour in a big bucket of chi. Governor Vessel 20. Let's also do Governor Vessel 19, sensory cortex. You're taking it all in, and not only do you have a glass, but you're remembering that the glass is half full. This helps dispel ants, automatic negative thoughts. From there, a little bit of kidney flesh, 27, 6, 5, 4. Take away free radicals, reduce inflammation. Too many free radicals in your head can make you more prone to negative thoughts. Let's get rid of that stuff. As well as this is also good for emotional release. Sometimes kidney 27, 6, 5, 4 makes people sad because it nurtures the grieving process. So there's a little laser beam right here, kind of at center chakra. CV17, let's give you some fortitude. All right, GV24 to 20. We've got next stop on our travels here. C1, 2, 3, immune. T1, 2, 3, immune. B cells, T cells, you're taking glutamine so that your T cells are pumped up. And this is also to help them. T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Thoracic 7 is the gateway to the gut. So some T7, 8, 9, right, left, a ton of thoracic 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everything about stomach through the lining of your small intestine. Let's keep going. First, lumbar 1, 2, 3, immune. Lumbar 1, 2, 3. Testosterone, lumbar 1, 2, 3. L4, L5, sacrum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rest of your large intestine, ascending, transverse, descending colon. And then let's go back to vagus nerve. Master switch to the vagus nerve, coming down to large intestine 10, 11 here in the nape of the elbow. This is immune cells, lymphocytes, antibodies hatched out of the gut and traveling to targets nearby. So LI 10, 11 down to LI4 and then LI1 at the fingertips. There's 4 gates for chi, for getting some more chi into you. Large intestine 4 and liver 3. So you gotta have all the portals open here. Bladder 6, 7, 8, 9, more immune cell support. Telomeres on immune cells, so they have more durability, longer functional lives. BL 6, 7, 8, 9. Now lift the skylight, talk to the repair troops. Governor Vessel 23, 22. We got some rehab to work to do. Growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone. A little more just, hey, we're here. Let's nurture muscles. You know, speak of nurturing, let's go back. Phrenic nerve, large intestine 17, 18. Accessory phrenic gallbladder 12. This is oxygenation. Sometimes tumor cells try and live and prosper anaerobically, so that, hey, we don't care if we got a blood supply, we'll figure out how to live without oxygen. This kind of zaps them with a bunch of ozone and they quit that. It knocks down some of their reproduction capacity. So back to BL9, GV17, and spinal arteries down. Let's just feel the need to do some more intestine well-being. So more vagus nerve, a little bit of stomach 21, and a lot of stomach 25 through the gut, down to stomach 36. Plus conception vessel 21, 20, down through CV17, heart lung, down to 14, 13, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything down through the gut, all the way down, through past, all the way down, past Mr. Happy. Also kidney 11, lymphatic drainage. Can you feel that? Ooh, that was a big. Anyway, the lymph nodes that look after the prostate area right there. Where did we leave off? Spleen 9 to 6. More liver 3. And kidney 1. Bottom of the feet. It's tapping into the earth to grab the chi. Standing in a bubbling spring of chi is the way it's described sometime. So let's give you another big bucket of chi, GV24 to 20. A little more immune, C1, 2, 3, and a ton of immune at T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. More lumbar, 1, 2, 3, and sacrum, 1, 2, 3. So let's do a little bit more help your head. And we've done SI16. And we got circulation for headaches. Let's go on up. I know. Facial artery up, stomach 1, bladder 1, 2, 3, cranial nerve 5, and CN8. Kind of, we've got trigeminal, and mind body. But the idea is environmental stuff, you've got a headache. Let's try and short circuit that connection. Back to BL6, back to another level of oomph for you. Bladder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's also do Yiming and C1, 2, 3. So I picture that you come home from school. You're hanging out, you're having a cup of tea with all your four-legged friends, and this will be about, I don't know, 12, 14 minutes where you just regroup, and then you go on about your day for the rest of the business. But, so back to lots of C3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heart 1, pericardium 1, spleen 21. A little more fortitude, a little more prostate support. And lumbar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sacrum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, buddy. Upper, middle, lower, dantian, charge the batteries. CV6, spleen 9 to 6. Pull it all down. Liver 3 and kidney 1. Let's see, there's the big dose of chi for you. Whew, it's feeling pretty good there, buddy. And here, you got a view of this. Look at this, man. This poinsettia. Home Depot had them on sale. $20 for this thing. It's like 3 feet in diameter. How great is that? All right, signing off. Just try and listen to this every day. You'll forget here and there, so you'll maybe pull it off 4 times a week. That would be awesome. You can play it back just very faintly too. You'll get the energy whether you hear me tapping or not. Hey, take care.